Hi, good evening, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. What a fantastic year 2023 was for all of us, for investors and traders alike. I know I'm late by 3 weeks, so it has been quite some time. I was out, we were vacationing, both FI and myself, we were on vacation, so that's why the video came out late. But, anyways, wishing all of you a very happy new year and hoping that 2024 turns out even better than 2023 in terms of investing and trading. Now let us analyze Nifty for the week ahead, and we will discuss what how the Indian stock market will behave next week. And it closed flat previous week, as you can see in the monthly candle. It is looking like a dozy candle, and broader market performed very well, and mid cap and small cap both gained more than 2%. But there are some uncertainties which we have to discuss and which we will analyze as well. So, what are the key events for next week? For next week, the Q3 earnings will come. This will be a big week, and IT companies, they will be out with their earnings. So, investors will be watching closely to see how they are doing. If IT companies, I think the worst is already factored in, and TCS and Infosys, Wipro all have been down from their recent highs by 5%, 6%. So the bad news is factored in for IT, I believe. And if the news comes out better than expected, then there might be a rally. In the Red Sea, there is a crisis which is going on, and there has been some missile attacks on Saudi Arabia, which has raised concerns about stability and potential for oil prices to spike up. So that is one issue. And the inflation data that will be also out for India next week, and this will give an indication of how the government is controlling inflation for next week. So the outlook for Nifty, if I were to believe, it will be flattish for next week with no major triggers, and will be depending on the results which will be coming out after Thursday evening. So Thursday and Friday after the expiry, Nifty will react for next week. So it is going to be a busy week with results of Q3 and then Red Sea crisis and inflation data. And Nifty 50 for next expiry, it should be flattish and with a bullish bias, and then it could move higher or lower depending on how the events unfold. So let us first see Nifty how it is looking at a monthly basis. So here we had discussed that Nifty has given a breakout at a monthly level, and we have a massive big green candle, which is a bullish Marubozu candle, and Nifty opened in December somewhere around 2200 and closed somewhere around 21,731. So massive rally of almost 1500 points. And after such a big rally, there is expected to be volatility and consolidation. So the low of this candle, that will be very important, and the low of this candle is 2183. So major support at a monthly level. So below, if Nifty closes below 2200, then we can say that Nifty is negative for the current term. But as of now, there is no indication of that, and it will be a major support. And Nifty closed somewhere around 21,731, and this is a currently a dozy candle. So most probably this month, what I believe it will be, this candle will form inside this big candle in order to indicate that this will be a consolidation market, and then we will analyze based on budget and where the things will go. RSI is MACD has given bullish breakout, so MACD line above signal line, which indicates there is bullishness, and RSI more than 72, which indicates strength. Yeah, analyzing at weekly level. So from this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has been 10 weeks of continuous rally. So almost more than 2.5 months. So this candle, it can be something like this. Like this candle low, it was somewhere around 2769, and this candle's low was 2976. So the low of this candle will be 21,329. So at a weekly level, 21,350 will be support 2. Support 1 will be 21,500, which is the low of this candle. So 21,500 to 21,350 we have to keep a watch. And at a monthly level I mentioned somewhere around, yeah, 2200. So that is a long way to go. That will be a good buying point as well. At a weekly level, MACD bullish, 21,500 support to 21,300, RSI more than 75, which indicates super strength in market. So if RSI comes below this 60, if RSI comes below 60, then we can see there will be a weakness in market. So what strategy we can take? Because next week it is going to be consolidation. The strategy which I have planned for next week is to take this iron condor trade, where we'll sell 21,400 put and 22,150 call for 18 January and hedge it by buying 22,400 and 21,150 put. So here our return for almost uh, 9 trading sessions will be 4.5%. So for next Thursday, if we get more than 2%, we can close this trade. And stop loss is already mentioned, 21,300, 22,200. So stop loss will be Nifty 5 minutes below 21,350 or above 22,200. Then we can close this trade. So this is the expectation return for 2 weeks, but we can anyways close this trade after this week's expiry, because all the events that will be happening, quarterly results, that will be after the Thursday expiry. Yeah. So analyzing at a daily level, so at a daily level things look little bit, we have to look it with caution. MACD line has crossed broken signal line, so slightly negative, and RSI is at less than 70, which is okay, but bias is cautious. We have to be cautious. And as I mentioned, the support at daily level, so below these levels we have to be cautious. So major support will be 21,200. If Nifty breaks below that, then we have to exit our trades. So these are the support levels for this week. So thank you friends, hope all of you are doing great. Bye.